My name is Cornelius Farrell, and this is my resource presentation for English 676 Instructional Design with Dr. Jennifer Veltsos at Minnesota State University. My presentation explains GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting is a web hosting and conferencing software that enables users to meet with one another over the internet and conduct meetings, conferences, and seminars in real time. GoToMeeting is created and marketed by Citrix Online, which is a division of Citrix Systems. Rather than to cover all the different features of GoToMeeting, I'll cover the highlights and positive aspects for instructional designers and also cover some of its drawbacks. GoToMeeting is very similar to Adobe Connect in that there are three categories of users. There's the organizer, who organizes the meeting and schedules the meeting, sends out invitations and notices via email. GoToMeeting is integrated with Microsoft Outlook, so it's very easy to manage meeting schedules, which is very important if you have recurring meetings or if you have to juggle meetings and reschedule meetings frequently. If you have a personal account with GoToMeeting, you can invite up to 15 people, and if you have a corporate account with GoToMeeting, you can invite up to 25 people. The organizer presents from his or her computer, as with Adobe Connect, and the organizer creates and assigns presenter privileges, which is the second category of user. The presenter privilege can share his or her screen with the entire meeting and can speak to the entire meeting. The third category is the attendees. The attendees cannot speak, nor can they share their screen with the rest of the meeting. The organizer controls who can chat in the chat window, who can share his or her webcam, and you can have up to 5 webcams going at the same time depending on the bandwidth. Organizers can also give control of the keyboard and mouse to another attendee of the meeting. Now, those attending the meeting may do so either from their computer or their telephone. The phone can be a regular phone, a cell phone, an iPad, an iPhone, an Android, or you can have a voice over IP connection. This is an advantage for those who are stuck in airports or traffic jams, as they can still attend the meeting from their phone and not miss a beat. GoToMeeting also has international capability, so attendees can be in other countries, or they can be stuck in an airport in another country and still attend the meeting from their phone. A key difference between GoToMeeting and Adobe Connect is that the organizer presents his or her material directly from the desktop of their computer. This is different from Adobe Connect, where presentation materials have to be uploaded into the Adobe Connect software. So if you have PowerPoint presentation, videos, photographs, documents, you have to upload these things to the Adobe Connect software, and that can present problems if there are compatibility issues or bandwidth issues or other issues that may come up. What you're looking at here on the screen is the organizer's pod, and you can very clearly see all the different features and controls the organizer has while conducting the meeting. Organizer can share their screen, they can give keyboard and mouse to someone else, they can change presenters, they can record the meeting, they can see the attendee list, they can mute an attendee, they can conduct the meeting either over the telephone or using mic and speakers, they can use webcams, they can invite people, use multiple webcams, and of course there's the chat window. Now, there are 3 negatives to GoToMeeting. First negative, you're not able to send files over the chat window. Second negative, you're not able to set up and send attendees into small breakout groups. So you can't break up the meeting into little subgroups with a separate chat window in each little subgroup. If you want to have a brainstorming session in little groups and then have the little groups come back to the meeting as a whole and discuss and present their ideas. You can't do that. Third drawback, although there's a chat window, there's no separate window for notes. So the organizer or presenter cannot take notes of the meeting and display them in a separate window for all the attendees of the meeting to see and organize. You cannot present a schedule of the meeting that's separate from what you're presenting. In conclusion, GoToMeeting is designed, I think, more for business than an instruction or training. It's very, very good for business. It's very, very good for conducting online meetings and seminars and webinars, but it's not a perfect fit for instruction or training. There are some limitations for instruction or training. You can do it, but it's not an ideal fit. I think there's better software out there for training and instruction. Thank you very much.